Hello everyone, my name is Dori ONeill, and welcome to my channel, Master Affiliate Profits Review. Today, I want to address something that's been on everyone's mind, the much anticipated launch of Master Affiliate Profits. But more importantly, I'm going to show you how your anticipation and excitement is actually a huge opportunity for you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of the insights, updates, and tips I'll be sharing. And if you're eager to get started, take the free Master Affiliate Profits test drive right now at yesshowme.com/map. Now let's talk about the journey of Master Affiliate Profits. Back in the fall of 2023, I was invited by John Thornhill to become one of the original backers of this revolutionary platform. Trust me, that was an opportunity I couldn't pass up. I saw it as a way to fulfill my dream of helping thousands of people achieve financial independence. For the past 8 years, I'd been working on a project to help people succeed online by breaking some of the bad standards that are found in the affiliate marketing world. My goal was to replace these bad standards with ethical, empowering initiatives that would help people succeed. These include creating a real support community that includes free access to live webinars and training sessions, ending the charge for access model. We believe in old-fashioned mentoring. You deserve to have mentors that will help you succeed without charging you for mentoring services. Mike Filsaime, the founder of Groove Pages and one of my mentors, has created one of the world's most successful online funnel and e-commerce platforms, serving over 720,000 affiliates. I not only use Groove Pages, but also collaborate with Mike's Groove Agency team. Shortly after joining Master Affiliate Profits, I shared my vision with Mike to help thousands achieve life-changing income through the Master Affiliate Profits platform. Mike offered his expertise to help me construct a YouTube viral funnel exclusively designed to drive traffic to Master Affiliate Profits. Once Mike infused his magic into the project, it was handed over to the Groove Agency team. Together, we built the funnel according to our specifications, tested it, and fine-tuned it. By early December 2023, we had crafted the perfect funnel for Master Affiliate Profits, with an investment of approximately $15,000. The next challenge for the Groove Agency team was to replicate this funnel. My aim was to offer this cloned version for free to anyone who joined my Master Affiliate Profits team. By mid-January 2024, the Groove Agency team had perfected the cloned version. I was now ready to gift a $5,000 Master Affiliate Profits YouTube viral funnel to everyone who enrolled via my Master Affiliate Profits link. If you're thinking, why is Dori ONeill offering a $5,000 YouTube viral funnel for free? The answer lies in a principle taught to me by one of my mentors, Mike from Groove Pages. Mike taught me the meaning of the phrase, money loves speed. As a platinum member of Master Affiliate Profits, I earn a Tier 2 commission on the sales that my personally enrolled members generate. The faster my personally enrolled affiliates can start generating sales, the quicker I earn Tier 2 commissions. To help my personally enrolled members earn commissions faster, I give my enrolled members a nearly ready-to-go YouTube viral funnel, complete with email sequences. This allows them to start making sales within hours, not weeks. Everyone I've talked to wants to earn money sooner than later. Do you want to start earning money right away? If you're like the others I asked that question to, you answered yes. The result? They start earning Tier 1 commissions immediately, and I benefit from the Tier 2 commissions generated from their sales. It's a win-win. They're happy because they're earning faster, and I'm compensated by helping them make sales faster. But what's the catch? The answer is there really is no catch. The only requirement to receive the YouTube viral funnel, members must use an Aweber account acquired via my affiliate link. The small commission I earn from their Aweber usage offsets my funnel hosting costs. Also, this bonus is only available to non-VIP members of Master Affiliate Profits as VIP upgrades eliminate the Tier 2 commissions. Free members receive a non-hosted template version of the funnel. Understand that my YouTube viral funnel bonus isn't the only perk my members receive. They also get a free organic traffic bonus, a benefit that Master Affiliate Profits only offers to Platinum members. I've secured an organic traffic system from my affiliate contacts, and I'm giving it away to everyone who joins my team, including free members. This helps drive traffic to my bonus YouTube viral funnel, enabling members to generate sales and creating a win-win situation as I earn Tier 2 commissions on their sales. Another bonus is access to my 365-day motivational email series for Master Affiliate Profits. Designed to keep members and their enrollees engaged and motivated, I cover the hosting and maintenance costs. But the bonuses don't stop there. Members also get access to live workshops, each one aimed at teaching our Master Affiliate members how to earn money quickly. Whether you're waiting for the launch of Master Affiliate Profits or it's already live, my advice remains the same. Begin with the free test drive. The link is available here and in the comments below. Next, immerse yourself in the daily videos inside the YouTube viral funnel and explore our main YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the videos. In the near future, we'll guide you on creating your own Master Affiliate Profits YouTube channel to drive free organic traffic to your YouTube viral funnel. Stay tuned for invites to our live training sessions, which are not sales pitches, but educational sessions designed to help you earn money quickly with Master Affiliate Profits. By taking these steps, you're setting yourself up for rapid earnings and a brighter financial future. I look forward to meeting you online in one of our live sessions. Remember, you deserve success, and I'm committed to helping you achieve it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, like and comment on this video, and most importantly, take action. Enroll in the free test drive, watch the daily videos. I'm Dori ONeill, and I'll see you in the winner's circle for Master Affiliate Profits.